How to clean Cricut mat, easy steps. Step 1. Clean your Cricut mat with baby wipes in a circular motion. Step 2. Fill your sink with warm water, then dip your Cricut mat. Step 3. Apply dish soap on your Cricut mat. Step 4. Gently scrape the mat with a scraper tool to remove the debris and dirt. Step 5. Let the mat rest in the soapy water for about 10 minutes. Step 6. Rinse the mat and let it dry out. Step 7. After drying out the mat, cover it with a protective sheet. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.